Okay, so we proceed with number 36. So we get a derivative 2x plus 4xy. Guys, nakita na natin to kanina. So this will become 4xy prime plus 4y plus 2y y prime equals to a. A natin guys is constant, so that is just 0. Then, pagsamahin natin yung may mga y prime. So 4x y prime plus 2y y prime is equal to yung 2x at 4y itatranspose sa kabila, negative 2x minus 4y. Factor y prime, that is 4x plus 2y is equal to negative 2x minus 4y. Divide both sides by 4x plus 2y. So we'll have y prime is equal to negative 2x minus 4y all over 4x plus 2y. Factorable by 2, that's just 2, negative x minus 2y all over 2x plus y. Cancel tong 2 guys, and then we'll have the final answer. Negative x minus 2y all over 2x plus y. Ito na yung ating final answer for number 36. Okay, proceed tayo sa number 37. So this will be x squared minus 2xy plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y is equal to 0. So derive na natin guys. This is 2x minus 2xy guys. So this will be 2x y prime minus 2y plus 2y y prime for y squared minus 6 plus 2y prime is equal to 0. Lahat ng may y prime, pagsasamahin, ito lang naman yon, ito tsaka to, then lilipat natin yung mga wala. Negative 2x y prime plus 2y y prime plus 2y prime is equal to negative 2x plus 2y plus 6. This one. Lilipat natin nag-positive, lipat nag-positive. Then, lipat natin yan naging negative. Factor by y prime, negative 2x, then, plus 2y plus 2 is equal to negative 2x plus 2y plus 6. Divide both sides by negative 2x plus 2y plus 2. So, cancel yun guys. This is y prime is equal to negative 2x plus 2y plus 6 all over negative 2x plus 2y plus 2. Meron silang common factor guys, that is 2. So, pwede nating factor out yan. So, negative x plus y plus 3 all over 2 negative x plus y plus 1. So, cancel yon. So, y prime natin is equal to negative x plus y plus 3 over negative x plus y plus 1. Ito na yung final answer natin. No, guys? Bawal cancelahin to guys. Trinomial, merong operation. So, bawal siyang cancelahin. Okay? So, final answer for number 37. Okay, number 38 naman tayo. Ang problem natin, equation 2x squared minus y squared is equal to 5. We are required to get the second derivative. So, first derivative muna tayo. This is 4x minus 2y, y prime, is equivalent to 0. So, lipat natin yung 2y, y prime para maging positive is equal to 4x. Divide both sides by 2y. Makakancel yon. Y prime is 4x over 2y. We are required to get the second derivative, so you have to derive this. Let this be u, let that be v. U natin is equal to 4x. Ang derivative natin dyan ay 4. Ang v natin ay 2y. Ang derivative natin dito ay 2y prime. Then, lagay natin sa equation. So, y double prime now is equal to v du minus u dv over v squared. Ang v natin, 2y. Ang du natin is 4. Minus u dv. 4x, ang dv natin ay 2y prime. All over v squared. Ang v squared natin guys is 2y raised to 2. Lalagyan ng parenthesis ha kasi may squared pa yun. Ibig sabihin kapag dinistribute to guys, magiging siyang 4y squared. Simplify natin, y double prime is equal to 8y minus 8x y prime all over 4y squared. Notice that meron tayong y prime dito guys. We are only required to get y double prime or the second derivative. Ibig sabihin kailangan walang matirang mga first derivative dito. Pero alam natin, ang y prime is just 4x over 2y. Tama? So, pwede nga nating i-substitute yan dito sa y prime. So, y double prime is equal to 8y minus 8x. This is 4x over 2y. All over 4y squared. Reduced by 2, this will be 4. So, y double prime is equal to 8y minus 16x squared all over y all over 4y squared. Hindi pa ito yung final answer guys kasi hindi pa yan formed into a simplified answer. Kailangan na-simplify pa natin yan. First, mapapansin mo, meron kang fraction dito, meron kang isang term lang dito. Na automatic over 1 yon. So, kukunin natin yung LCD ng dalawang yan. So, ito, rewrite lang natin. So, ang LCD na is y. Divided by 1 is y. Multiplied by 8y is 8y squared. Ito naman, retained as 16x squared. Tama? Then, bababa na to. Okay? So, y double prime is equal to, this will become now 4y cube. Tama ba? O, ayusin natin. So, this is 8y squared minus 16x squared. Pwede pang i-reduce yan, factorable by what value? 4. So, dito ko na lang siya ilalagay guys, no? Para magkasya siya. So, y double prime is equal to 8y squared. So, this will be 4. 2y squared minus 4x squared all over 4y cubed. So, cancel yung 4. Final answer natin will become 2y squared minus 4x cubed, or 4x squared rather, over y cubed. So, ito na yung final answer natin for number 38. Okay? Okay, number 39 naman tayo. X squared plus y squared is equal to a squared ang given equation. Let a be constant. So, this will become 2x plus 2y, y prime is equal to 0 kasi ang a natin ay constant. 2y, y prime now is equal to negative 2x. Kasi nilipat natin to guys para mahiwalay yung y prime, no? Divide both side by by 2y. Y prime is negative 2x over 2y. Pinapakuha sa atin is second derivative. So, let this be u, let that be v. U natin, negative 2x. Derivative, negative 2. Du natin, or v natin, ang v value is 2y. Ang dv natin is 2y prime. Then, lipat natin sa equation. Second derivative is v du minus u dv over v squared. Ang v natin is 2y, and then, du natin is negative 2 minus u dv. Negative 2x, ang dv natin, 2y prime. All over v squared. 2y squared. Y double prime now is equal to negative 4y plus 4x y prime all over 4y squared. Ang y prime natin guys is negative 2x over 2y. So, y double prime is equal to negative 4y plus 4x. Tapos, meron kang negative 2x over 2y na value ng y prime. Cancel ito by 2. Of course, overall is over 4y squared. Then, y double prime is negative 4 minus, kasi guys, minus to, plus yun, minus 4x squared over y. All over 4y squared. Ito na yung ating isi-simplify pa, no? So, para magkasya siya, ililipat ko siya doon. Ito na yung ating remaining value, or remaining equation. Y double prime is equal to, kunin natin yung LCD guys, y. Over 1 to guys, automatic. So, y divide 1 is y, multiplied by 4y is negative 4y squared. Minus 4x squared. So, ibababa natin yan. Y double prime now is equal to negative 4y squared minus 4x squared over 4y cubed. Factorable by 4. This is negative y squared minus x squared all over 4y cubed. Cancel by 4. Magiging sagot natin would be negative y squared minus x squared all over y cubed. Eto guys, pwede na maging final answer ito, or pwede ka pang mag-manipulate ito ng values. Say for example, yung negative nito ilalabas natin, magiging siyang y squared plus x squared all over y cubed. Guys, mapapansin natin, yung y squared plus x squared dito is kamukha nung main equation. So, pwede pala nating sabihin that this is negative a squared over y cubed. Okay, so this is the answer for number 39. Okay, last example naman tayo guys. 40, y squared is equal to 4ax where a is constant. Y double prime or second derivative ang kailangan natin kunin. So, kunin ko muna. Ito, pre-solve na siya guys. So, i-discuss ko na lang siya. So, 2y, y prime is from y squared is equal to 4a. X will be 1. Kaya 4a na lang yan. Then, y prime is 4a over 2y where we both divide them by 2y. Kaya, u over v, ang kailangan nating sundin na rule para makuha yung second derivative. Ang u natin ay 4a. Derivative of 4a is 0 kasi a is constant. Then, v natin is 2y. Derivative of 2y is 2y prime. Kunin natin yung ating second derivative. v du minus u dv over v squared. Kaya, ang makita mo, itong 2y tsaka 0, makancel yan. Then, negative 4a 2y prime is negative 8ay prime over 4y squared, galing siya dito. Cancel by 4, may 2 ka na lang doon, kaya negative 2ay prime over y squared ka na lang. Alam natin guys, ang y prime ay 4a over 2y. Isa-substitute lang natin yung sa y prime. So, negative 2a multiplied by 4a over 2y. No? Ang 4a over 2y guys, yung y prime mo ha, andito siya. Ito yun. Over y squared. Cancel to by 2, kaya matitira dyan, negative 4a squared over y cubed. Naging y cubed to kasi, ang y pwede na siyang ibaba. Consider na pwedeng ibaba na to guys kasi nakamultiply ka naman dito. Okay? Ito yung sagot sa number 40.